Hello again, this is Mr. Hassel, and today we're going to work on our review of lessons 39 through 42. This is the Unit 10 review. Number 1, fill in the correct number. How many 16th notes does it take to equal an 8th note? And that answer would be 2. B, how many 16th notes would it take to equal a half note? That answer is 8. C, how many 16th notes would it take to equal a quarter note? That is 4. D, how many 16th notes would it take to equal a whole note? That would be 16. Number 2, add bar lines in a double bar to complete the example below, then we'll clap the rhythm. So we're in 2/4 time. Remember, 4 16th notes adds up to 1 count. So this is 1, this is 1, so our first bar line would go right here. And next bar line would go here. This gets 1, this gets 1, we put a bar line here. Bar line here. Bar line here. Bar line here. There. And then a double bar at the end. Let's go ahead and write the counts underneath just because it's good practice. So this would be 1, E, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, E, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, E, and 1, 2, E, and 1, and 2, and 1. And then you can put the 2 there if you want. All right, let's clap this rhythm together. This is a song from Australia, Kookaburra. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Number 3, fill in the correct number. So just like a 16th note, a 16th rest gets 1/4 of a count. So to equal a whole note, a whole rest in 4/4 time, it would be equal to, you need 16 of those. How many 16th rests would it take to equal an 8th rest? That would be 2. How many 16th rests would it take to equal a quarter rest? That would be 4. And how many 16th rests would be equal to a half rest? That would be 8. Number 4, complete the measure by adding 1 rest above each arrow. Oh, I don't see any arrows there. I guess the copy machine must have left those off, but we can figure out what goes there. All right, so 1 and 2. So we need an 8th rest right here. Right here we would need a 16th rest. Right here we would need a quarter rest. We're in 3/4 time. Here we would need a whole rest. All right, number 5, add bar lines to complete the example below and clap the rhythm. So we're in cut time. Remember, this stands for cut time, which is the same as 2/2 time. 2 counts in each measure. Half note gets the 1 beat. So our first bar line would go there, right here, right here, right here, there, and then a double bar at the end. Let's clap that together. This is number 5. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Number 6, draw stems and add dots where needed to equal 4 beats per measure. So our time signature is 4/4. So it looks like we're going to need a stem right here. So 1, 2, 3. We need a dot there, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's not right. Add stems and dots where needed. Oh, sorry guys. So this needs a dot right here, and then a stem right there. There we go. Okay, then this one needs a dotted half note. This one would be 4/8 notes, correct? Yes. This would be a dot, 1 and 2 and then stems. Let's clap that rhythm together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. Number 7, add bar lines. Write the beats under the notes and clap the rhythm. It's a lot of stuff to do. Okay, so we're in 4/4 time. So our first bar line would go right here. Next bar line would go here. Next bar line would go there. And let's write the counts. So they've already got the first measure done for us. So this is 1, 2, 3 E and 4. This would be 1, 2, 3. Then you hold that through 4. And this would be 1, 2 E and 3. And this would be 1, 2 and 3. Then you hold that through 4. All right, let's clap that rhythm together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3 E and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 E and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Number 8, write one note equal in value to the sum of the notes. So a quarter note gets 1. 4/16 notes adds up to 1. So that would be equal to a half note. Next, this would add up to 1 plus 1 plus 1, dotted half note. This would get 1. This would get a half a count, so this would be a dotted quarter. This completes your review for Unit 10. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.